Hello, and welcome to the Innovative Research Lab. I'm Maria, the VP of Sales for the Midwest region, and today I'm excited to take you through our extensive product catalog, showcasing why innovative research is the go-to source for high-quality in vitro research biologicals. Let's dive in. Innovative Research, founded in 1998, has over 25 years of experience in manufacturing and supplying top-notch biological research materials. We offer over 60,000 products, making it convenient for researchers to find everything they need in one place. With many peer-reviewed products and real-time journal-derived content featured directly on our product pages, we don't just sell products, we aim to enrich your research experience. Let's start with our human blood products. We offer a wide range to meet your research needs. From single donor whole blood to pooled human complement serum, our products ensure top quality from draw to shipment. Our catalog includes single donor whole blood, pooled human complement serum, single donor human plasma, blood derived, and pooled human plasma, also blood derived. Single donor human serum off the clot, pooled human serum off the clot, single donor human red blood cells, and single donor human washed red blood cells. We also provide various anticoagulants like K2-EDTA, K3-EDTA, lithium heparin, and sodium citrate. Custom pools and donor requests, such as specific donor sex, age range, and ethnicity, can also be accommodated. For coagulation studies, we offer clotting activity tested human plasma. Reach out to our team today and let us know what you're looking for. We'd be happy to accommodate your study's needs. For those working with animal models, our animal blood products are second to none. We offer single donor mouse blood products from strains like CD1, C57BL6, and bulb-C. In addition, we have blood products from larger species, such as porcine, bovine, and even monkeys like rhesus macaques and cynomolgus. Here's a quick overview. We offer multiple species of rat samples, such as Sprague-Dawley, Wistar, and Wistar Hanover, hamster samples from Armenian or Syrian gold hamsters, rabbit, chicken, turkey, beagle samples, porcine, bovine, horse, goat, sheep, donkey, monkey, plus many more species, drawn fresh per order. Like our human blood products, our animal blood products are customizable with anticoagulants to meet your specific research needs. Samples are collected fresh per order and shipped quickly worldwide. Our human biological products include a variety of normal and disease state biofluids, from urine and sweat to cerebrospinal fluid. We provide pooled or single donor samples, with customization options to match your specific requirements. Some of our top product categories are urine, sweat, tears, nasal fluid, breast milk, synovial fluid, semen, CSF, viral transport media, and many more. In addition to our normal samples, we also carry an extensive selection of disease state human samples. Our cancer and disease state biorepository is ready to ship, offering plasma, serum, and FFPE samples. These are essential for disease state research and come with a detailed background information about the donors. We also carry a vast selection of our human and animal proteins and antibodies, as well as animal-free proteins. Moving on to our cell culture products, we provide Human AB Serum, among a variety of other highly purified products, which are cell culture grade and absolutely vital for keeping cells alive during your experiments. This serum is carefully processed to ensure high quality and reliability, making it ideal for a variety of cell culture applications. Some other cell culture grade products we offer include human serum, animal serum, media, proteins, and reagents. These products are carefully purified and validated for cell culture applications, helping to ensure the viability of your cells and the accuracy of your data. Our PAI-1 products are truly unique to innovative research. We specialize in these high-quality samples, which are more than 99% pure and 98% active. Whether you're looking for antibodies, proteins, or ELISA kits related to PAI-1, we provide the best quality you can find. These products are essential for studying fibrinolysis and other related pathways. One of our standout product lines is our VLDLR products. Here, you can get everything you need in one place: antibodies, ELISA kits, and proteins related to VLDL studies. This comprehensive offering saves you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on your research. Plus, we have a dedicated blog detailing the utility and popularity of these products. Now, let's discuss our ELISA kits and assays. Our kits are meticulously designed with researchers in mind, featuring horizontal plate layouts in the manual for effortless data recording. Each ELISA kit comes in a strip-well format, providing the necessary reagents for up to 96 tests. Many of our kits offer sensitivity thresholds significantly lower than those of leading competitors. We also include detailed performance characteristics in our ELISA kit manuals, something not all competitors do. This transparency ensures that you have all the information you need to trust the accuracy and reliability of our products. Our coagulation factor ELISA kits, particularly the Factor 7 and Factor 12, are especially popular among our customers. Our Human IgG ELISA kit and C1 inhibitor ELISA kit are other popular products known for their superior sensitivity compared to the competition. The C1 inhibitor kit is useful for studies on the complement system, inflammation, immune research, and cardiovascular research. Like with our VLDLR products, you can find everything you need related to the C1 inhibitor in one place, making your research process smoother and more efficient. At Innovative Research, we understand that every research project is unique. That is why we offer customized solutions to meet your specific needs, from custom lots and specific donor requirements to tailored anticoagulants and sample types. We work with you to ensure that you get exactly what you need for your research. Our customer service team is always ready to assist with any questions or special requests that you may have. We take pride in our responsiveness and dedication to supporting your research endeavors. When you contact us by phone or email, you'll receive a prompt response from a real person, not an automated system. Our goal is to provide you with the resources and knowledge necessary to make your next big discovery. At Innovative Research, we're dedicated to making your research journey as seamless and successful as possible. With our extensive product catalog and commitment to quality samples and customer service, we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today, and good luck in your research endeavors.